Deb again, back with another lightning round video. These short burst videos are designed to get you back to building your website fast because there's no time to waste, right? So today you will learn how to add and duplicate sections, rows, and modules in Divi. Let's get started. So the first thing we will do is add a section. You hover over it, see it tells you add a section. Click this, and you can add a regular section, which with regular, you can choose any of these styles. 2 columns, this is different sizes of columns, or you can add from the library, which we don't have anything in the library as yet. Let me just close that and get rid of it. Add a section, let's hover over it. Add a new section. Specialty. This is interesting. Sometimes you might need different arrangement in a row or a section. So you can use these. So let's say we want this one. And you'll see you have a 1 here. And you can add a single column or 2 columns or 3 columns on this hat. On the other side, we already told it we wanted a single column. So you get to pick whatever you want to put in it. So that's how to add a section. But this is a full width, that's why it's orange. Okay, so let's go down here. And if we added a section here, then we can choose the same thing. We add a regular section, and then say we wanted a 2 column. You choose your whatever you want to put in on this side. If we close slider, tabs, that's interesting. We'll go into that another time. Or just text, and the easiest way, once you get used to it, is you put an X in there and it's going to pull in text. So basically, anything you want, say it starts with a P, it's going to show all of your words that have P's in it. That's why I put an X in for text, is because nothing else has an X in it. But that's a quick way to narrow down your choices here if you know what you want. Now if you want to add a row, you would click this green button, and then it gives you choices like the others. If you want to add a module, you click the gray button, and it gives you the choices of modules. So again, the blue is the section, the green is the row, the gray is the module. So we'll get rid of that. Oh, and again, you can move these. I don't know where it went. There it is. You can add as many modules as you want. Say you have 2 modules all set and ready to go, and you want to add 4. So you would duplicate row and you have 4 squares. The ideal way, if you're doing more than 1 module in a row, and you lay it out the design exactly how you want it, and then duplicate it, pull it over into the column you want it to go in, or the row and column you want it to go in, and then it's already set with all of the design parameters, and all you have to do is change the content that's inside. Thank you for your time today. I hope it helped. If it did, I'd appreciate a thumbs up, and if you want to follow along in this series, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Bye!